a total of 12 missions during its 6 weeks on operations before the war ceased.
Aircraft is maintained down there at Temora, and it was actually fitted with ejector type exhausts, like very much similar to the ones on the Mustang. But the museum undertook some research and actually found a photo of this aircraft with the flared exhausts that are more typical.
But understandable. Now the pilot flying it, Jethro Nelson, is a former RAF pilot, almost 20 years of service flying aircraft including the Hawk T1A and the Tornado GR4. The RAF College at Cranwell has quite a few of these attached. Now, talking about Jethro, the pilot who's flying sizes in Europe, the Middle East and the Americas, but he's got quite a list of achievements, including air combat instructor and qualified tactics instructor on both Hawk and Tornado. So quite a distinguished career with the RAF over in
Name chains and yeah, 52s.
The Mustangs that you see here are certainly the most recognisable model, the D model. Earlier ones had a higher...
So you know we've already got people lining up to do the RAF pilots here at the Liberty Recycling Control Tower. So if you come to Lewis, we'll head up on the tower, there's Unicom and Forestry. Down below we'll find the pilots.
flying the rural area, you see that one go through, the camouflage team aircraft. We've got Ben Lappin flying the Harvard St. Jonas and back. The person we saw flying the big KP. Now the two trainers are rolling. Let's see if we can hear the noise of the round engine over the canvas.
As you can see, these aircraft look very, very similar, and there is a reason for that, which we'll go into very soon. You can see there from that plan view of the aircraft, because they both had the same foreware, an aircraft called the, it's built like all American aviation. Engines that are fixed or retractable undercarriage, but it proved a very, very sound basis.
Flying in the United States Air Force in 1992. He's a 22-year veteran of the USAF. 2,700 hours flying F-16s, including combat and display flying. 500 hours Jaguar flying on exchange with the Royal Air.
That were produced for operations by the Allies. The Horsa, which is the very large one. You had the, I think the Hamel car, and also another one produced by the Americans, the Waco.
So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for having us here at Wings Over the Illawarra for the Learjet fan break.
Or a thrill-seeking skydive. Make sure you head
bad guys' heads down.
There we go. I think we're going to see a short landing here.
Up in Vietnam, they flew over 80,000 sorties and delivered over 36 million kilos of freight.
We're just going to have a slight delay here while the toll rest.
We're offering free thrill rides where you get to jump in the car with us. So, of course, you have much time on piston engines. Oh, yeah.
Two yaks at the back there doing a split break for us. And Cheng's over the top with Jim Eaglin in the lead. Jim's a 787 pilot for Qantas, former F-18 pilot for the Air Force, and also flew in the Gulf War flying the Tornado, one of the very few RAF pilots who had any combat experience from the time he was in. There's a hard loop. Sean Trestrail on the right, Ego Murray on the left.
Cameras ready now. We said that it'd go off with a bang.